My name is Tatiana Rabaeva and I'm the Assistant Director for Postgraduate Specialisation programs. The purpose of the session today is to show you our learning portal, Canvas, as this is the learning management system that we use in all our master's subjects. I'm currently on the home page of FLP1 Foundations of Family Law Practice subject. On the home page, you will find a short information about what the subject is about, as well as the various links that you can click on that will provide you with all of the information and the material that you need. The very first link is the subject information that you can click on, and that will provide you with the subject learning outcomes, as well as some other useful information such as a subject structure and some information about the interactions. There are various modules available here. There are 9 modules in each subject. And then as part of each module, you can click into the various components of that module. I'll quickly show you what one of the module looks like. This is module 6. If you click on the very first link, that will give you some introduction about the module, for example, as to what that module is going to cover, as well as the module learning objectives. And that will also provide you with further information as to what you need to do in order to successfully complete this module. The preparation screen will provide you with all of the necessary resources in order for you to complete this module. Some modules might have essential resources that you need to go through in order to complete your assessment, and some of the modules will also provide some additional resources if a particular topic is of interest to you. As part of the essential resources, you will always find module notes, and that's essentially is a good summary of the module. Sometimes it can be fairly short, like this one, so there are only 2 pages, and sometimes it might be longer than this, depending on each individual topic. In some of the modules, you will also find activities. So the module activities usually are in the form of a short writing activity, where you may be provided with a case study or a short fact scenario, and you're asked to do some certain drafting exercise. So for example, as part of this writing activity, students are asked to draft an email that they would send to their supervising partner. There may also be a self-assessment activity in some of the modules, and that may be in a form of reviewing of a document and asking students to then complete some revising of that document. Then there is also an interaction. So in each module, except module 1, there is a weekly teleconference with the lecturer and with the other students. As part of the weekly teleconference with the lecturer and students may review the self-assessment activity if there is one, and then also on each of the module 6 or each module preparation page, there are some questions that will form a focus of a particular interaction. If the student can attend a weekly teleconference, they can participate or raise questions or start some interaction with other students in the discussion board. And you can do so from the interaction page of each module by just typing up the reply in this box there. Also, interaction with the lecturer happens by way of the announcements. You might see some recent announcements at the top here, but all of the announcements are located on the announcements page on the left-hand side of the screen. Also, a very important tool as part of the Canvas is the inbox. So you can use the inbox to communicate with your lecturer, raise any questions that you might have, or clarify any particular matters for any of the content or the assessments. And your inbox is located on the left-hand side of the screen here. Also, very important information is located under the assessments that you can click on from this view, or you can click on the assignments on the left-hand side, and then you'll also find a list of the relevant assessments for each subject. And also, library and online resources page is really important, as it will provide you with all of the links that you will need to the online databases. And that's what the online learning will look like for you.